Grayson Power Smith, are you ready for this?
I just made him bleed.
Wait, show us your nipple before. Yeah, in case it gets red. Do it with no shirt. You ready? do it with no shirt, do it with no shirt.
No, that hurts so bad.
Do it with no shirt.
That hurts so bad.
Do it. Oh, there's a wall. Do it. Wait, pull up your shirt, I want to see it.
Just do it.
Do it again, do it again.
You're way too close.
Show us your mouth. Show us your mouth.
That hurts so bad.
Wait. Show us the mouth.